Welcome back to our channel. Today let us discuss about vlogging. Everybody wants to vlog, but does not have the courage. They are afraid of many things. So if you are planning to become a vlogger, this video is for you. Watch this video until the end for a proper step-by-step guide to start vlogging. But before that, please support us by subscribing if you haven't subscribed until now. A like and share will make us proud. So let us dive in and understand how you can become a successful vlogger. Choosing your niche. There are millions of vloggers and the competition is high. Therefore, the first step should be to choose a niche that is popular but has less competition. Selecting a niche that resonates with your passions and expertise is the best. If you have the skill set and you use the same niche, you will be more enthusiastic and energetic while vlogging. Your authenticity will automatically be reflected. When you are authentic, you will get more interaction. People will be interested in listening to you and asking you questions. In-depth research. Another important aspect of vlogging is in-depth research about the topic. You should always present facts to your viewers. Presenting facts with proof and references will help build up the confidence and trust of the audience. The best part of doing proper research is that you get a ton of content from the research itself. You get to know new things, and mixed with an enthusiastic presentation can make you popular easily. Scripting outline. Now you are ready and loaded with a strong and research-based content. You can work on preparing a written outline that you can keep with you while presenting. You do not have to write the entire content, but the important parts so that you do not miss any of them in your vlog. Tips for scripting. When opting for scripted vlogging, crafting engaging and easily deliverable scripts is crucial. Start by outlining your main points and incorporating a conversational tone to maintain viewer interest. Use clear and concise language to convey your message effectively. Additionally, practice reading the script aloud to ensure it flows smoothly and sounds natural. Avoid overly technical jargon or overly formal language, as this can alienate your audience. A well-structured and engaging script, delivered naturally, enhances the quality of your vlogs, making them more relatable and appealing to viewers while ensuring your content remains informative and entertaining. Practice. Before presenting live to your audience or recording your vlog, it is always good to practice everything once or twice. If you are presenting it alone, then you should practice in front of a mirror. Let us now understand about different equipment you will require for a good quality vlogging. Remember, a good vlog can be presented in a very good way. The content is crispy and interesting and you present facts, but bad equipment can destroy everything. So you should focus on equipment before you start recording. Cameras and lenses. The choice of cameras and lenses plays a pivotal role in determining the quality of your vlogs. High-definition cameras, coupled with quality lenses, are instrumental in elevating your video content to a superior level. These tools enhance the clarity, sharpness, and overall visual appeal of your vlogs. By investing in top-notch camera equipment, you empower yourself to capture and deliver stunning visuals, enriching the viewer's experience and increasing the professional quality of your vlogging content. In essence, cameras and lenses are indispensable tools for vloggers aiming to produce high-quality videos. Microphones and audio setup. Neglecting audio quality is a common oversight in vlogging. It's essential to prioritize sound quality by investing in a high-quality microphone and mastering the art of audio setup. A good microphone ensures clear, crisp sound in your vlogs, elevating the overall viewing experience. Properly optimizing your audio setup involves understanding factors like sound levels, background noise reduction, and microphone placement. By paying attention to these details, you not only enhance the professionalism of your content, but also engage your audience more effectively, as clear audio is vital for viewer comprehension and enjoyment. Lighting. Effective lighting is a critical aspect of vlogging. It significantly impacts the visual quality of your videos. You can achieve this through the use of natural light, or affordable ring lights. Proper lighting enhances the clarity, aesthetics, and overall appeal of your content. Natural light provides a soft and flattering illumination, while ring lights are designed to evenly illuminate your face, reducing shadows and enhancing your appearance. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, mastering lighting techniques ensures that your vlogs are visually appealing and maintain viewer engagement, making it an indispensable consideration for vloggers seeking to create high-quality videos. Background and props. When crafting your vlogs, the choice of background and props holds substantial importance. Your vlogging background should align with your niche and offer visual appeal. It sets the stage for your content, creating a backdrop that enhances the viewer's experience. Props can further elevate your vlogs by adding depth and interest. They provide context, reinforce your message, and make your videos more engaging. Selecting relevant and eye-catching backgrounds, as well as using props strategically, allows you to create a visually appealing and immersive environment that complements your content and captivates your audience. Software options. When it comes to video editing for vlogging, it's essential to explore a range of software options to discover the one that best aligns with your specific needs and skill level. There's a plethora of video editing tools available. Some good examples of video editing software are Adobe Premiere Pro, Corel Video Studio, DaVinci Resolve, and Movava Video Editor. You can also use Canva, which is easy to learn, but has less video effects. But a good editing software is essential for a good presentation. Creating a YouTube channel. Establishing a YouTube channel is a cornerstone of vlogging. It serves as your platform for sharing content with a global audience. Customizing your channel is essential to make it uniquely yours, reflecting your brand identity and content style. This includes selecting an eye-catching profile picture, crafting an engaging channel banner, and composing a compelling About section. Consistency in branding elements, such as color schemes and logos, helps viewers identify your channel easily. By personalizing your YouTube channel, you not only create a memorable online presence, but also signal to viewers that they are entering your distinct vlogging world, fostering a sense of connection and loyalty. Social media promotion. Harnessing the power of social media is a potent strategy for vlog promotion and audience engagement. Utilize various social platforms to share your vlogs, creating teaser content, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or engaging posts that pique their curiosity. Interact with your audience by responding to comments, conducting Q&A sessions, and fostering a sense of community. Collaborate with influencers or share content relevant to trending topics to expand your reach. Leveraging social media amplifies your vlog's visibility, draws in a broader audience, and establishes a direct and dynamic channel of communication with your viewers, bolstering your vlogging success. Tips for promotion. Engaging with your audience is crucial to build a reliable and loyal audience. You can do this by various ways. The easiest way is to respond to comments. You can also ask them to like and share in your video. This will motivate the viewers and also help you improve your ranking. Live streaming is another way where you present your vlog to audience and they can comment and ask questions directly during the live stream. The most important aspect of getting popular and noticed is to be consistent. If you post one video per week, then you should try not to miss any week. Another aspect of consistency is quality consistency. Do not compromise with the quality of your video. This can help in generating confidence within your viewer community. Things to remember. Do not post content that is owned by others. A copyright content can be bad for your channel or social media page. A copyright content can get you blocked. Only post original content. In some cases, you might require to show copyright content. In that case, you should always take prior permission from the owner. You should also give due credits to the owners. You can find copyright-free videos and images from sites like Pexel and Unsplash. Canva also gives copyright-free videos and images. Content trends. Now you have everything ready and ready to present. But you should know how you can get new content regularly. The easiest way is to watch for content trends. Trends in content style, format, and topics are ever evolving. By keeping a finger on the pulse of what's popular, you can adapt your content strategy to align with viewer interests and preferences. This not only attracts a wider audience, but also demonstrates your vlogging versatility and ability to stay ahead of the curve. Do not be afraid of competition. Competition is unavoidable. More and more people are tempted to vlogging now. And so there will be competitors in your niche too. The best way to beat your competitors is to present content better than them. By better we mean better in quality, content, information and presentation. You might get negative comments from audience. But do not be afraid of those. They are an integral part of interaction and are important. Negatives comments are the best guide to help you improve your content further. Be sure to respond positively to the negative comments. So that's it. Now you know everything above vlogging. Why wait now? Go ahead and start a wonderful journey.